This flexible thermoplastic polyurethane filament in the SUNLU 2-pack offers a balanced shore hardness that is soft enough to bend, yet tough enough for everyday functional parts. Print quality is consistently clean with strong layer bonding, so hinges, phone cases, and other flexible pieces come off the bed with smooth walls and reliable strength. The dimensional consistency across the 1.75mm diameter is excellent, which helps avoid jams and keeps extrusion steady on most fused deposition modeling printers. Once you dial in the recommended temperature range, the filament feeds predictably without excessive stringing, making it surprisingly approachable even for users new to flexible materials. The combination of impact resistance, abrasion resistance, and elasticity makes this filament well suited for wearable items, protective covers, seals, and vibration dampening components. Getting both black and blue 1 kilogram spools in a single package provides plenty of material for experimenting with flexible designs and producing durable end-use parts.